Like a bowl.
All right, people. So let's expose this other dating coach, and his name is Alex from Mindful Attraction. All right. So this dude has a lot of dating advice, and I'll be honest with you, I've seen his video. I want to review what he has to say. Okay. And this video is about how to make women chase. So he says he wants to make a video about how to make women chase through self-amusement. So I'm gonna see what he has to say, and I'm gonna tell you what my belief is right now about that video. Okay, so let's find out what this dude has to say.
Okay, so now in this section, we're going to talk about self-amusement and why it's so important to implement it in your game. For those who don't know what self-amusement is and why it's so important, let's get something straight. Self-amusement is when your actions, your words, thoughts, and actions derive from your own self. For example, the things that you do, let's say you tell a joke to a girl, right? You tell the joke and you make her laugh, all right? The reason why you say the joke, if you're using self-amusement, is not to make her laugh, but because you find it funny and you.
All right, all right. So it means that when you say something, you're saying it because it's something you enjoy, which is fun, but you know, you're thinking of yourself right there, don't you think? I mean, like everything should be done not because you like it, but because you're reading the other person, and you're going with the moment. It's not because you are, you know, like having fun in a selfish way, because that's why a lot of times you talk the way out the pussy, because you just want to say what's up, everything that comes to your mind. You can't say everything that comes to your mind with women. If you think self-amusement is saying, hey, you know, fuck, oh, I like to kill kids, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so it's kind of like, that is kind of true, but I can see how that could lead to people saying a lot of stupid shit, you know? So I don't know about that.
You want to share it with her, okay? So it's sort of, it's kind of like you being a party and you having a lot of fun and having a lot of people there, but you also wouldn't mind if more people join the party.
Actually, you should mind. In fact, the more you mind, the more of a good, cool party it looks. In fact, you should put some sorry about that. You should put some red lines on that party so that nobody could get in, and it would give the illusion that it's better. You see, and that's what the mistake that this dude is making, is that he thinks that being open and having good emotions brings people in. In fact, that repels people most of the time. Not most of the time, but you shouldn't lead with that.
So let me give you guys an example. Let's use children as an example for self-amusement. The reason why children are so liked.
By who? By who? Who loves children outside of their parents? And maybe, you know, yeah, some are cute. You're right.
Why most people like children, is because they're
All right. These things kind of similar to me.
amused. They have their own imaginations to go into and to create their own world and have fun without having to need anybody else. So why is this important? It's because when you use self-amusement, you don't care what a girl thinks. So when you act and when you say something to her, you don't say because you want to get a reaction out of her. You say because it makes you feel good. So in a way, rather than gaming her, you're gaming yourself.
Okay. All right. The problem is I don't want you guys to take this and be goofballs. That's what I don't want you to make that mistake. I remember when I was learning how to game around that time, like, yeah, I was having fun, but I could promise you it would turn more women off. I could promise you it would turn more women off. If I would have just not laughed as much, my game would have been much better. I know it sounds crazy, right? I know it sounds crazy, but it's kind of true, man. You know, but let's keep listening.
Also,
let's give this guy some crack. It's a little too slow.
Most people don't have a party inside, so most people depend on others to make them feel good. They need other people to support them. They need other people to give them validation. On the other hand, you are your own validation. You are your own source of positive emotions. So when people meet you, they'll want to hang out with you because you have what they need, because you are fulfilled. So it's almost as though you're coming in with a.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, people like someone who's emotionally stable. Don't get me wrong, but it's not about the good that you have to offer, but more about how can I say this? It's more about how difficult you are, because it just gives the illusion that you're used to people catering to you by being difficult in the beginning. You know, it's a little different. I'm telling you, I'm getting a different reaction from women by just doing this. You know, trust me. Trust me. I know.
Full cup. Another thing is that in order to be self-amused, you have to be a fun person. No one who's self-amused is not fun. It's very rare that you find someone who's self-amused who is not fun. Okay, so that's another thing about self-amusement.
Oh no, dude, it's not about being fun, bro. It's not about being fun, man. It's more about you. It's more about you taking your life seriously. You know, taking your time seriously, taking everything in life seriously. So that means that means you don't let people take up your time. That means you don't let people fuck with you. It's not that you're angry at them, but that you can easily just withdraw from people whenever you sense that they're pulling away as well. You know, you don't give up your time easily. You know, a lot of people don't take their time seriously, so they just give it away to random people. You know, and when you value your time, that's just gonna emanate as an aura of authority. It just does. There's a reason why you value your time. You can't just value your time if you have nothing to do, though. You have to really have something serious in life that you're devoted to and be on your purpose, on the path of mastery. But let's keep seeing what he's got to say.
Amusement is that it makes you a naturally fun person. And also, because of that, people will be affected by it because there's something that's called your mirror neurons. For those who don't know what mirror neurons are, that's what gives you the ability to feel empathy towards other people and to feel what other people feel. For example, let's say you're watching an interview and someone's crying and is having an emotional moment. For the most part, most people who are sane, who have some sort of compassion inside of them, will feel some sort of contrition towards the person. They'll feel bad towards because they're expressing those negative emotions. Our brain gives us the ability to mimic what other people feel. You understand? So when you're interacting with someone who's having fun, you're gonna naturally feel a lot more alive because you're interacting with a positive energy. It's the same way when you're talking to someone who's depressed, you're gonna feel a little bit depressed because.
Yeah, I agree with that. But you shouldn't lead with that. That's a problem. You should not lead with that. Lead with coldness, a little bit of coldness, and then you can warm up.
You're interacting with the energy. So by being self-amused is essentially deriving your own positive emotions from your own self. You don't need her to make you feel good. You don't need her to validate you. You have your own self to validate yourself. Also, another reason why self-amusement is important is because on the opposite side of the spectrum, the opposite of self-amusement is seeking a reaction, seeking validation.
I don't know about that, bro. Look, man, I'm gonna have to give this video a little bit more time because I got a lot of shit to say. I didn't expect me to need to say a lot of shit. This is just. I mean, I like it. I see where it's coming. I see where he's coming from, but nah, man, this is just gonna make you look like a goofball, man. Like it's you gotta go the opposite route. Hopefully he finds the right path. Hopefully he learns from his mistake, and hopefully he gets to where he wants to get to in life. But I give that advice a D plus. I'll be honest with you. I give that advice a D plus. It's not that good. Anyways, this is Alex from myfoottraction.org. Tell me who you guys want me to review next. Be safe.
All right, so I want you guys to check out my online course. It's called Dark Game, all right? And in this course, I pretty much teach you guys all of the most powerful techniques to get a guy to love you. Let me show you some of the things that we're going to talk about on this course, right? Because this course is pretty much a coaching session where I give you guys where each section, for example, right? Each section we're talking about the pre-honeymoon period, the honeymoon period, and the post-honeymoon period. Every relationship is in these three places, right? And so it identify you what are the signs that you're in each of these phases, and then I give you guys specific techniques that are meant for that specific stage. All right. So in this course, you will literally be coached by me without being coached by me. All right. On top of that, I give you guys some of the psychologies of attraction to help prepare your mind so that you don't have unrealistic expectation. Right. So on the pre-honeymoon period, we have something in the likes of introduction to the pre-honeymoon period, how to get to know a guy the right way, how to get to know him indirectly, directly, how to create a powerful reputation, how to create attraction non-verbally, how to instill thoughts of commitment, how to use weakness to create a strong bond, and we also provide pop quizzes, right? This course pretty much, I don't give you guys a bunch of techniques. I just give you guys everything that really works. I am telling you, these techniques are meant for specific reasons. I could have put out a bunch of different videos, but I knew that these are the videos that you guys need to avoid being manipulated, right? and end up with the guy that you want. All right. So I want you guys to check out this course, man. This course, I'm putting a lot of work and effort, and I know that if you guys purchase this course, you guys will be able to get any guy you set your mind to, right? So check it out. I provide free videos, so if you guys want to check it out, you guys can check it out absolutely for free. And if you don't want it, you don't have to purchase it, all right? Anyways, this is Alex from mindfulattraction.org. Take care. And the beauty about all of this is that it's only $99. And if you guys know my coaching sessions, I have coaching sessions that are over $1,000, right? So this is pretty much a way for you guys to get coached by me without paying a hefty price. And the beauty is that there's a money back guarantee. If you guys don't like the course, you guys will literally get money back. Look, these are the things that people can say. All I can say is this stuff is powerful. It works. Alex, keep up the good work by you putting everything in clear, vivid understanding for us and providing an example. It is really useful. All right. All right, ladies. So if you guys enjoy this, all right, ladies, so yeah, check out this course. It is the shit, in my opinion. I know you guys are going to love it. It's 29 videos, so take care, and I hope you guys enjoy yourselves.